Hey everyone, welcome to our video. Today we're going to discuss the reasons why your vacuum may emit a burning smell. Now, before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Let's get started. Please check the description link. I will provide details information. Potential causes. So, you've noticed a burning smell when using your vacuum. What could be causing this? Well, there are several possible reasons to consider. Let's explore them one by one. First off, it's essential to check if there's an issue with the vacuum's motor. A worn-out motor or one that's overheating can produce a burning smell. This could be due to a lack of maintenance, such as infrequent filter cleaning or a clogged hose. Another common culprit is a malfunctioning belt. The belt in your vacuum is responsible for driving the brush roll. If it's worn, damaged, or loose, it can create friction and generate a burning odor. Additionally, a buildup of dirt, debris, or pet hair in the vacuum's brush roll or beater bar can cause excessive friction, leading to the burning smell. Regular cleaning and maintenance of these components can help prevent this issue. Lastly, if you've recently vacuumed something that shouldn't be vacuumed, like liquids, small toys, or large amounts of fine dust, these foreign objects can get stuck in the vacuum and result in a burning odor. Be cautious about what you vacuum to avoid such situations. Troubleshooting and solutions. Now that we've identified some potential causes, let's discuss how to troubleshoot and resolve the issue of a burning smell in your vacuum. First, check the vacuum's filters. Over time, filters can become clogged with dust and debris, obstructing proper airflow and causing the motor to overheat. Clean or replace the filters according to the manufacturer's instructions. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.